Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check RAM in Samsung Galaxy F55. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, Wi-Fi and network settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search field, go ahead and type memory. As you type, you'll start to see suggestions and results related to system settings. Some may mention device care, RAM, or memory usage. These are all good signs you're on the right track. Step 4. Now, from the list of results, look for something labeled memory, RAM, or device care. Tap on it. This will usually take you to a section that shows your phone's system performance, including RAM usage. Most Samsung phones will display how much RAM is currently in use, how much is free, and the total available RAM. For example, if you have 8 GB of RAM, you might see something like 4.2 GB used out of 8 GB. This helps you understand how your phone is managing active apps and background processes. Step 5. For the last and most important step, once you're on the memory page, you'll see detailed information about your device's RAM. It breaks down used RAM, free RAM, apps currently running, and more. You can add extra RAM on your phone. This is especially helpful if you're a power user who runs many apps at once or plays resource-heavy mobile games. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.